Enviroguard offers global compliance solutions. We sell product in different countries, and we offer training, spill containment systems, site assessments, both e-learning programs, on-site training.
In 2012, Enviroguard was able to win several large projects both domestically and internationally using the product design suite.
Well, Enviroguard uses Autodesk product design suite really in all aspects. We use the Autodesk Inventor as part of our order fulfillment and processing. We use Showcase to create product renderings that we can then use to either show a customer what the product might look like before they give us the job, while it's still the bid stage. And we use 3ds Max to create educational videos as well as say how-to or installation instructional type videos for the product.
We can actually take and communicate with somebody globally very easily about how the system installs, assembles, work, and also we've used this for setup instructions as well.
On an engineering level, we use Product Design Suite to communicate more effectively with our engineer customers. So whether that's creating drawings that we can send back and forth or sending them detailed bills of material before we actually move forward on a project.
How we did that was we were able to design unique systems that these specifications called out for and do the 3D renderings and then show them to the clients and to the engineering firms via online web-based meeting, and therefore they were able to approve those designs and we ultimately won those bids.
It went absolutely textbook, and our customers could not believe that our size of our company we could perform at that level. Approximately 2004, we started beginning the process of each drawing that would come in would have to be done manually by an engineer, and we found it was a customer service issue and it took too much time to process orders. So we went to Autodesk and KETIV and we worked together, and they came up with a solution for us whereby we could simplify it that a customer service order person could use Autodesk simply by following 3 or 4 steps and create custom CAD drawings on the fly.
My favorite thing I would say with the Product Design Suite really has been the iLogic feature, because that's allowed me to offload some of our tasks so that way I could focus on more of the innovative design work.
We've now streamlined it now. Instead of involving 2 and 3 people in engineering and communications, we streamlined it down to about 15 to 20 minutes per order for processing. And not only that, but we can do it with somebody in customer service skill set and only have a quality assurance person double check the work, which takes minutes.
With the extra time, we're able to really focus our resources on further product development and creating new products.
Our impact to our engineers at this point, we can now take and have them work on product management and innovations that we're deploying to the field and launch cycles that normally they didn't have time to do because theoretically they were doing admin work. And so this has taken from an admin role to more proactive product development role. My next level of expectation was let my customer design our system on the fly and create the drawings. If I have a customer service able to do it, I can have my end users do it. Therefore, they have a solution that we would normally do manually. I want to basically automate that. Autodesk has been a partner of ours since the beginning as it relates to providing engineered CAD drawings to our customers. Most of our customer base are engineers. They need detailed, accurate drawings and documentation. We're also an ISO 9001 company, which is critical to be able to follow our documentation paper trail.
Now that we're using the Vault product, it's made it easier for us to collaborate with our team members in other parts of the country. So in our Philadelphia and Nevada offices, we're able to share the same files and really work seamlessly at the same time on the same projects.
We also utilize it for part of our quality assurance. So when our production team takes those drawings and the bill of materials and they make sure that what they are sending out the door is exactly what was drawn and exactly what the customer requested. So in that aspect, it certainly does help us.
We're ISO 9000, and if there is a problem, we document there's a problem so it doesn't reoccur. But the bottom line is it's a pretty seamless system, which is the best of all worlds. The intent of Enviroguard is to actually reduce cost to end users, such as instead of doing, let's say, the entire battery room with a spill containment system that may be very expensive through the construction process, our system actually contains the battery acid at the battery rack level. So thus, you don't have to do the entire room.
When we started working with Autodesk and KETIV, we were just looking for an upgrade to our AutoCAD product, and we started using the Inventor. An Autodesk Inventor has been a great tool, especially with the iLogic component, and it's allowed us to be more efficient and effective as a company. And with the latest releases and the newer tools that they've given to us, such as 3ds Max, such as Showcase and Vault, we've really been able to just increase that efficiency. We've been able to, use tools in different parts of the company to really just get the most out of it.
KETIV gives us ongoing support via phone support. They give online support when we need it. We can pull up something on GoToMeeting and discuss if we're having issues. We can also send people to their regular classes, and they always have sponsored classes through Autodesk and others that support our efforts here. So we always have a continuing education process, and they're a critical part of that.
KETIV has been great. They've definitely been a strong support in helping us initially as we transitioned to Inventor, as well as throughout the years as we've worked with them on various projects. Just recently, as we are starting a new division, and we had to get some of our team members trained up and up to par on the Inventor product, we were able to throw together a crash course kind of at a last minute's notice to get them where they needed to be effective.
We have a number of times they've come out and trained our people one-on-one, one-on-three, as we need it. KETIV's been great customer service, and they brought us into a series of some of the Autodesk C-level people when needed be. And the training and support and the newsletters and continuing education is key. To be able to grow like this and innovate, you have to basically have that kind of support. We have that through KETIV locally.